A day after raids were conducted by the Enforcement Directorate officials at the IPAC office and the residence of Pratik Jain, the director of IPAC, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee took to the streets of Kolkata in a protest rally with huge crowds out there to support her, and more crowds than she had anticipated, many coming out in support of what Mamata calls an attack of democracy and what Mamata says is not right what the BJP has done. While Mamata hit out at the BJP and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Mamata garnered the support of the people and the sympathies of the people in an attempt to say that she was the protector of West Bengal. She also went on to say that she will be calm, but if she is instigated, then it is a rebirth for her. And remembering the times of the past, of the CPIM era, and of the times when she had to fight and she had to continue fighting. Mamata Banerjee did also speak about the Trinamool Congress MPs. 8 of them were out there in Delhi on Friday morning protesting in front of Amit Shah's office when they were taken away by the Delhi police, and that is also something that Mamata did mention. Of course, the MPs also did protest against this and protest against what was happening when they say that it was Amit Shah who should have been giving the answers as to what is happening here in Bengal and why this attack on Bengal and an attack on the political party which is the Trinamool Congress. As far as the High Court developments are concerned, the Enforcement Directorate did file a writ petition in the High Court and did mention various aspects about how Mamata and the state police did obstruct the officials, the ED officials, from doing their work, and that Mamata took away electronic devices and documents which were important for the investigation in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act case of 2020 in the coal smuggling scam. Well, as far as Mamata is concerned, she questions the timing of these raids and also questions the raids that took place at Pratik Jain's house and the IPAC office, and that various documents related to the poll strategy and that of the SIR related documents were being taken away by the ED officials. But ED officials say that there is a rupee 20 crore Hawala transaction that they are investigating, in which they say that IPAC is involved. So various aspects of this coming out, and the other aspect also is that the ED has mentioned in his petition that it is a malicious attempt by the Chief Minister because there are various FIRs that have been filed against Enforcement Directorate. As we know that there are 2 FIRs as of now that have been filed against them, but the High Court has reserved right now their hearing, which is being deferred to January 14th. So while the entire battle continues, Mamata on the streets of Kolkata protesting against what she calls an attack of democracy. With Salil Bera, this is Prema Rajaram in Kolkata.